Did you miss us? I've missed us.
All right.
What's going on, YouTube? Dorito.
Hello, Chicago here.
And today we got ourselves a Lifan
3300 mean green cleaning machine, people.
power washer.
It's a power washer, that's right.
So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up and uncrate it and assemble it.
And see what it's all about.
Yep.
So let's get on with this.
Shall we?
Shall we?
Yeah.
I'm ready, people.
Ain't no smacking on that one.
Let's unbox this baby and see what we got.
All right.
All right, here we go.
Those are really the sound effects. Those are true sound effects, people. True sound effects. Made by my own ugly face.
If you can only see it. Well, you can. Let me show you where you can go see my ugly face.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get this knife out of his hands. We're going to get the knife out of his hands.
All right, people, let's
get
play.
this thing out of the box and get right back to
Let's
you
have
guys.
some
All right?
fun.
Put that up, will
We
you?
got a all right. Now we got. What are you doing?
Now we got to see what we got.
This is what we got. A whole bunch of stuff. Check this out, people. We got a bag that we can play in later. Makes for a nice hat. But right here, people, is the heart of our big green cleaning machine. The green machine itself.
Very, very nice. Check this out. Let's pick it up and take it to it, Luke.
Oh, this isn't that bad.
No. Check this out, people.
Shall we do a spin for him? Welcome, Voodoo Ghostbusters. Pretty cool, huh?
Yep.
Can we
So
put it
look-
down now?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
All right. So we're going to get all the bolts out and see what we got here and get right back to you guys, okay?
Don't forget your instructions. You're going to need them later.
Yep. So, let's try this here. Let's try something here, Lucci. Look at me for a second. Ready?
What? Oh!
Yeah.
I didn't have that too fixed.
All
Damn it!
right, guys. So we got it unboxed. Luch. Hey, where's Luch?
Ah! Take my escape, you know? Stroke! 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 Stroke!
Oh, that's the power washer. Yeah.
I ain't going nowhere.
That is a power washer, though, right there.
I spit a lot of crap out of this mug.
All right. So, let's go ahead and get this together.
Up the
guys.
iron!
What we got here is we got the handle, we got the axle, we got the wheels, and then we got the back right here. It's going to go underneath to where it sits. So what we're going to do right now, they do not ship this with any oil. So we're okay to do this.
By
We're
tilting it.
We're going to tilt it onto its back and go ahead and put that on real quick. So let's
All right.
tilt it on its back. And let's get the
Start with the axle.
Okay, there you go, Luch.
You're going to take the longer of the bolts, people. There's two long bolts there. And put it through.
Give me the other, please.
There you go. How's that?
There we go. Put them through, and it's got a 9-lock washer, or a 9-lock nut. And what size are we looking at, Luch?
Well, this is a 12 millimeter, and it's a 10 millimeter on the back.
Okay. So we got the 10 millimeter on the back. Luch is going to get it with the socket on this side there as well. I got you, Luch. Go ahead. There's one side there. Get the other side. There we go. And then, well, I'll go ahead and put this wheel on.
And I'll put this one on. Hey, that makes it easy.
Take a washer on each side.
Oh, well, then you can't put it on.
You can't just
Put
put
it
it
on,
right
put the
on.
washer on, right?
Yeah, there we go.
Check that out.
One washer on each side. Then your nut,
You're nuts. I got your nut right here.
which is a 1 1/16. I'm very sorry.
Yeah?
We'll get that on,
All right, let's get it on.
shall we?
Let's get it on. Got it on?
We got it on.
All right.
So now we got the wheels. As soon as Luke tightens it
There. Now my turn.
up. Okay, so now we're going to flip it over so we can get to the back. All right?
Baby got back. And now we'll put on our bump stocks.
Now that we got our bump stop,
Right there, right?
get that on. And then what size bolts are those, Luke?
Let's find out. I go by Luchin meters, which would equate to a 10 Luchin meter. All right.
Thank you.
There you go.
All right, I think it's good. We're good to go. We got these 4 for here. There we go. Now we're going to get the handle on. Which is
Let's get a handle on it.
This has a 7 horsepower engine in there. Electronic ignition.
That's right, no points. Sounds like you're about to die on that gun.
So we got to pop in our little handle here.
All right, Chingus. Can you say that? All righty then. While he messes with that, people, we're going to mess with him by moving this back down like this.
Right there. No, stop. Stop.
I don't want to stop. Now we got our hose. And if anyone knows about getting hosed, it's me.
Yep. Back up.
And I bet this is your hose receptacle. Right there. You see, people, how your hose is hanging just off to the side?
Which actually,
Needs to be hooked up here.
yeah,
No.
you just connect it in.
There.
Screws in very, very easy.
Look. Just like such.
There we go. See that?
All right.
And then you got your
Now
water,
you're hosed.
which is the same way. Screws right in. Show them, Lucci.
Okay, give me another loop out of there. I'm not feeling loopy enough.
Hold on. Stop.
Just give me that loop. That's good.
There you
Put it
go.
back. All right, see how we work together? You stick it in the hole and screw it.
Very good.
People, it couldn't be much easier than that. Click the safety off and accidentally shoot your heterosexual life partner in the face with 3,300 pounds of sheer water blastation. How would you like that?
That's very, very nice.
Are you actually reading the
Yes,
instructions?
I was. I read the instructions.
I didn't know you could read.
Yes.
When did you learn to read?
So check this out, people. As soon as you learn how to put up a wrench,
When did you learn how to read?
there's my boy. So,
Is
anyways,
this a flamethrower? This
So-
is pretty neat, Bill. People, we got us the lean, green, mean, clean machine flamethrower edition.
yeah,
This will burn the crap out of your heterosexual life partner's face.
yeah.
Do not point it directly at him and accidentally pull the trigger.
So, anyways, guys,
Let me holster my weapon.
holster your weapon. And it's got its little hook over there.
I saw that. I
You
just
see
tightened it up.
Isn't that very nice?
That's awesome. Oh, yeah. Put the wrenches away. All right.
Anyways, guys, this is the Life and Storm series 3300 pressure washer. It's the lean, mean, green machine.
Cleaning machine.
Cleaning machine. It's 3,300 PSI, pull start. It looks like it's pretty small and efficient. And what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to take this out and wash the
And we're
driveway.
going to blast the crap out of Luch's new deck.
Yeah, he's not taking it home.
We're going to take this bad boy up to Luch Mountain tonight, and we're going to blast some stuff.
Yeah, he's got this a little bit confused.
We're going to show you just what it does to tree sap.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, people.
Yeah, so tomorrow when I wash my driveway
What?
with this power washer, we're going to go ahead and put this in the video.
Wait, I need to clear some brush with my flamethrower.
Yeah. So, anyways, I'll be inserting a clip of watching, of
Inserting
doing
what?
the power washing and everything, and then we'll get right back to you guys. All right? Insert clip here.
Is dirt no problem?
Dirt's no problem.
Not for our mean green cleaning machine.
Yeah, but you can't go there. Hey, Luke.
What? Oh! Hey!
It's a coffee we don't usually drink on the job, but this does good.
I didn't mention earlier is that not only do you have a single hose outlet, but you have a single hose inlet. So people, feasibly, you can get dual hosing from this Lean Green Mean machine.
Yeah, this is where you actually put your inlet
In.
from the hose and your outlet here. This is
Simultaneous hosing, people.
this is for your chemical, to drop your chemical on in there.
What?
And we'll be showing that to
When
you
did
guys
we
tomorrow.
need chemicals?
Yeah, you can put chemicals in there.
In where?
In there, like driveway cleaner.
In here?
Like driveway cleaner. No, not in there.
I don't want to put driveway cleaner in there.
So anyways, before I kill this guy, we're going to go ahead and say
Simultaneous hosing.
that I'm going to go ahead and use this tomorrow and check it out. Luch is going to have
How
to
long are
wait a
your
couple
arms?
weeks until he can use it. So,
That long?
yeah, you know.
I was talking about your arms.
You coming down next week?
No!
Okay, so then he's going to have to wait a couple weeks to use this. So anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching Dorito,
And the lucha covering.
and don't forget to come back. Thanks again,
If
guys.
you ever will.
Yep. Rock on.
You guys rock!
Peace.
Peace. Ah! I gotta watch my nuts around here. Oh! Crap! Look! Eddie Van Halen! Wow! You can tune a piano, but you can't tune a fish.